Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. So in this video we'll learn about Lambda functions. So what exactly is a Lambda function? Till now we have been defining functions that have a name like compute bill, get total, sum, but then we have other functions called as Lambda functions. The difference between a normal function that is defined using the def keyword and a Lambda function is that a Lambda function doesn't have a name, and that is why they are also known as anonymous functions. So let us see the syntax for a Lambda function. So a Lambda function looks something like this. It uses the Lambda keyword, then any number of arguments, and finally right after the colon an expression which is evaluated to some consolidated value and returned as the result. So now we know what a Lambda function is. Let us define one. So back in my editor, let us define a square function using the def keyword. So def square, and this will take on a number, and then I will return number, use the exponentiation operator and raise that number to the power of 2. So now an equivalent Lambda function for this function can be defined like this. So I will say square Lambda function, and I will use the Lambda keyword. So the Lambda keyword, then we will pass on the arguments, and it can take a bunch of arguments. Here we will be requiring a single argument, so I'll pass on the number as the argument, and what it will spit out is number raised to the power of 2. So right before the colon we have the argument, and right after the colon we have the result that gets returned from this square Lambda function, and it is also known as a one-liner function. Now generally if you want to write a one-liner function, it is preferable to write a Lambda function for that. So let us invoke the function. So the invocation of Lambda function is done in the very same way as we did for a normal function. So I will say print square Lambda function, and I will pass on 9, and now let us run the file. And you can see we are getting 81. So what happened here is that 9 was passed to this anonymous function. So we got 9 as the argument, which is the number, and we returned 9 raised to the power of 2, which is 81. So the caller of the function got the result back, and we printed 81 to the terminal. Now also if I print square dot double underscore name double underscore and square Lambda function dot double underscore name double underscore, and let us run the file. Now you can see that for a normal function defined using the def keyword right on line 451, we do have a name for it. So square is getting logged to our terminal. But for an anonymous function defined using the Lambda keyword, it doesn't have a name. It just prints that it is a Lambda function. So this was all about the video on Lambda functions. So if you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for all the upcoming uploads, and I will see you guys in the very next video.